How to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about deleting your WhatsApp messages permanently, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, simply go ahead and tap and select the chat that you'd like to work on. Suppose this is a chat where you want to delete your messages permanently. Go ahead and type in your message. Now once it is sent and you want to unsend it, simply tap and hold on to it and then tap on the bin icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select delete for everyone. You can see that there is indication of you deleted this message, and now this message is unavailable for both the sender and the receiver. In the case if you have sent multiple messages at once and you want to delete all the messages permanently, you can go ahead and hold on to the one message first and then select rest of them. Tap on the bin icon in the top right and then tap on delete for everyone and you'll be done. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.